Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send photos in eBay messages. You can attach photos to messages on eBay to show an item's condition. So firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar, type down ebay.com and enter it. So once you're inside this eBay homepage, what you need to do is you need to go to this My eBay in the top right and you need to go under this messages here. And you need to follow the on-screen instructions. You need to open the conversation with the buyer or seller. You can select reply, click or tap the attach photo, camera or image icon. You can choose the photo from your devices and wait for them to upload. Then you can add your message, then select send. And that is it. Keep your photos clear and well lit and avoid including personal information. And that is it. This is how you can send photos in eBay messages. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.